In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts on your SportPesa app. So if you no longer need these pop-up notifications from SportPesa app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and put an end to them. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and access SportPesa app info page to stop the pop-up notifications. And to access this, go to your settings on your smartphone. And then from settings, scroll down until you see apps. Now under this, look for the option called manage apps or all apps depending on your version. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find SportPesa. And as you can see, my SportPesa app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your SportPesa app using the search function here. Now tap on it and this will open the app info page that we were looking for. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go and look again for your app. And once you have found it, just long press on it. And here you should see app info among the three options. Tap on it and this again will take you to the app info page. At this point, scroll down and then head to permissions section, and under it look for notifications. Now if you tap on it, you can see all these types of notifications are on, and that's why you have been receiving those alerts. To turn them off, go ahead and just toggle off this show notifications option, and this will go ahead and turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you never again receive any pop-up notification until you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications on SportPesa app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.